Alright, so one last thing that we have to do on Gearbubble is we have to set up the analytics so that we can view analytics on here. So to do so, we're in the Police Mom campaign still. Click on Analytics, and then we're going to create a new tracking analytics ID. So we're going to just put in numbers to correspond to our ads that we're going to do. And we might as well go, we're going to do quite a few, but you can come in here at any time and do this. But we're going to do a couple ahead of time just to get a little bit ahead of the game. So we're going to do that up to, well, I know how many I'm going to do. I'm probably going to do like 18 different ad sets to start, so might as well add them all now. Just add create so you can see what it does. So then when I click on the campaign and I click on analytics, this little thing will pop up. So I might as well go up to 20 because I'm going to use all these variables, and then you'll see what I do with this later, but might as well get it all out of the way ahead of time. Even though you can come back in and do this anytime you want, it's good to just, when we're in here, might as well get it over with. Doesn't take long. 016, 017, and you can use any naming convention you want. This is just how I do it. Lets me keep track of it easily. And the 0 in front is just an old habit of mine. I don't know why I do that. Great. Okay, so now I've got 20. So now, when I look at the campaign in my account, it's kind of cool when it loads. You'll see that it'll have an analytics button now. So when I click this, I can see the analytics. So I can see ads. This is going to be ad set number 1, and it'll show me how many hops, so how many people click the link, and then how many sales I got. And it'll show me the conversion rate and the current profit. But mind you, profit is more revenue because I haven't subtracted any of my costs from it yet. But this is the important column that we're going to use here, and you'll see how we use this later. So we've got that set up for like 20 different variables now to use, and works very well. So that's it for our setup on Gearbubble. You can see traffic here too. And you can see I got 1 click. It was probably me. And sales. The sales is not really all that accurate, but well, it's accurate, but this graph doesn't seem to be accurate lately. I don't know why. But the analytics are 100% accurate. And a little number down at the bottom here. This one is always accurate. So we will use this shortly, but for now, we are now set up on Gearbubble. Everything's done. That's how you do it. So go create your campaign, get her up and running, connect to GetResponse or whatever autoresponder you want to use. Make sure you add your conversion pixel and your retargeting pixel, and make sure that you add in your analytics, your IDs for future use.